Now look at this one. Now it is like reverse. Okay, how to like now how you decrypt it. So there is example. Okay, we don't understand what it is written, but we know it is a rail fence cipher over there. Okay, some of our spy he told us that these enemies are using the rail fence, and we got this important message over there, right? So now we will make this fence for us. Okay, since there are 15 letters, so we write 8 on the top line and 7 on the bottom line, right? So we make like zigzag this one. Okay, so we write like this one, 5. Okay, and then another 5. Okay, and then another 5. Okay, so now and then we will make a zigzag. Okay, so in the zigzag option we get it. Okay, so we say in the zigzag option we say make. Okay, HASTE, haste. Okay, and then slowly over there, SL. So this is a reverse process over there, right? So in the encryption you have to compute like in a zigzag path, while in decryption you have to put in a straight path over there. This is the trick in the rail fence system over there.